What's up, guys? Morning. Last night was the first night I slept in the 1991 Dodge Caravan. I got up earlier. It was still raining. So I was like, you know what? I'm just going to listen to it. That's why I look like this. When I fall into a deep sleep like twice, I'm just like, I like the rain. It's still sprinkling a little bit. I think you can hear it on the audio. Sounds pretty good. But when I get this thing insulated and, well, it's already insulated, but once I get the stuff thrown on the walls and everything, you won't be able to hear that. It'll minimize it down just a little bit, which is sad, but oh well. Still be able to hear it from the front end. That's all that matters. This is my morning routine. Smoke a little bit of weed. Just to help me wake up. Honestly, just smoke weed in the morning just makes me feel like a better person. Just like if I don't, and I wake up and I just go throughout the day, I'm tired, don't want to deal with anything. But if I take a hit of weed and go to work or something, I'm happy. It wakes me up, gets me ready, gets me fucking motivated for the day. And yes, I am a licensed marijuana card holder because of arthritis in my hands. You'll be able to see in more detail in later videos, but they are, all my knuckles are right in here. They're swollen right here. And it's just from many years freaking popping them and being dislocated and getting in tight spaces to twist a nut and mechanicing and pipelining, that'll do that to you. So, but other than that, and I'm only fucking 22, about to be 23. I can't believe that shit. But I like smoking weed. I love it. I don't know if y'all can hear me on that audio, but I'm gonna make this the end of it, and I'm gonna chill out in here and listen to the rain most of the day, and then around 2 o'clock I'm gonna head to work. Deuces.